Welcome to the Walking TV channel. I'm Armin, and today we're diving into the wonders of Dubai. This city is all about superlatives. The tallest, the biggest, the most luxurious. We'll explore cloud-piercing skyscrapers, palm-shaped islands, and malls that are cities in themselves. So get comfy and let's start our virtual adventure. If you enjoy the journey, hit like and subscribe for more. Ready? Let's discover Dubai. Our first stop is none other than the Burj Khalifa, a marvel of modern engineering and the world's tallest building, soaring to an astonishing 828 meters. This architectural wonder is not just a building, it's a symbol of Dubai's ambition and vision for the future. No matter where you are in Dubai, the Burj Khalifa is almost always in sight, standing tall above the city's skyline. It's a beacon that draws your eyes upward, a true icon that defines the city's silhouette and spirit. But the real adventure begins inside. Step into the ultra-fast elevator and in less than a minute you're whisked up to the observation deck. The ride itself is an experience, smooth, silent, and thrilling as you watch the floors tick by on the digital display. Once you arrive, the view is nothing short of breathtaking. The entire city sprawls beneath you. Winding highways, the shimmering turquoise sea, and clusters of skyscrapers that look like miniature models from this height. You truly feel like you're on top of the world. As the sun begins to set, the scene transforms. The sky explodes in shades of orange, pink, and purple, while the city below starts to twinkle with thousands of lights. It's a magical moment, one that makes you pause and soak in the beauty of Dubai from above. From up here, you can spot famous landmarks, trace the city's rapid growth, and even use telescopes to zoom in on the details. It's incredible to see how Dubai has transformed from a quiet desert outpost into a bustling metropolis in just a few decades. Of course, no visit is complete without snapping a selfie or two. The observation deck is the ultimate photo spot, offering a backdrop that's instantly recognizable and absolutely unforgettable. It's a memory you'll want to share with everyone. But the Burj Khalifa is more than just a view. It's a testament to what humans can achieve when they dream big and push the limits of possibility. Every detail, from its shimmering glass facade to its innovative design, tells a story of ambition and creativity. If you're planning a trip to Dubai, make sure the Burj Khalifa is at the very top of your list, quite literally. It's an experience that captures the essence of the city and leaves you inspired. There's no better way to get your first taste of Dubai's grandeur than from this incredible vantage point. It's where the city's past, present, and future come together in one unforgettable panorama. The Burj Khalifa isn't just a building. It's an experience, a wonder, and a reminder that in Dubai, the sky is never the limit. Next door is the Dubai Mall, an icon of modern Dubai and one of the largest shopping and entertainment destinations on the planet. Just approaching its grand entrance, you can feel the excitement in the air, with visitors from all over the world streaming in at all hours of the day. Calling it a mall barely does it justice. This is a city within a city, a place where you can easily spend an entire day, or even several, and still not see it all. The sheer scale and energy are unlike anything you've ever experienced. With over 1,200 stores, it's a shopper's paradise and an entertainment universe. You'll find everything from high street fashion to the world's most exclusive luxury brands. But shopping is just the beginning. There's a giant aquarium teeming with thousands of marine creatures, an Olympic-sized ice rink where you can skate under dazzling lights, and even a virtual reality park that transports you to other worlds with cutting-edge technology and immersive games. It's a place where imagination comes to life, perfect for thrill seekers and families alike. Kids can play grown-up at Kidzania, a miniature city where they can try out real-world jobs and activities, from piloting planes to working in a hospital. It's both fun and educational, making it a favorite for families. While the kids are busy, parents can explore endless boutiques, from designer labels to unique local finds. Whether you're window shopping or on a luxury spree, there's something for every taste and budget. Foodies will love the options, from gourmet restaurants helmed by world-renowned chefs to cozy cafes serving up international flavors. The dining scene here is as diverse as Dubai itself, and if you're after something quick and casual, the world-class food court offers a dizzying array of choices. From Middle Eastern specialties to global fast food favorites, there's truly something for every craving. Don't miss the Dubai Fountain Show outside, an unforgettable spectacle where water, music, and lights dance together in perfect harmony. Crowds gather every evening to watch the fountains leap and sway to popular tunes, creating a magical atmosphere. The mall's scale is mind-blowing. Soaring high ceilings, wide walkways that seem to stretch for miles, and even a traditional souk inside, where you can browse gold, textiles, and spices in a setting that echoes Dubai's rich heritage. It's a blend of modern luxury and Arabian culture, where cutting-edge design meets timeless tradition. You'll find luxury brands side by side with traditional crafts, making every corner a new discovery. My advice? Bring a map and comfy shoes. With so much to see and do, you'll be on your feet for hours, wandering from one incredible attraction to the next. Whether you're shopping for the latest trends, gliding across the ice, marveling at marine life, or simply exploring the endless attractions, the Dubai Mall is an experience you'll never forget. It's overwhelming in the best way, bustling with energy, excitement, and the promise of new adventures around every corner. Lose yourself and enjoy the surprises around every corner. Only in Dubai can you find a place that brings together the world's best shopping, dining, and entertainment under one spectacular roof. Now let's visit the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island shaped like a palm tree, visible from space. The trunk is lined with apartments and parks, the fronds with exclusive villas. Take the monorail for stunning views, or see the full palm shape from above on a helicopter tour. At the top sits Atlantis, the palm, with its iconic hotel, world-class restaurants, and aquaventure water park. Explore the Lost Chambers Aquarium, themed after Atlantis with 65,000 marine animals. The crescent is lined with luxury hotels and a scenic boardwalk for sunset strolls. The palm is a symbol of Dubai's bold vision, turning the impossible into reality. It's a must-see marvel. Next, the Dubai Marina, a futuristic canal city lined with dazzling skyscrapers. The Marina Walk is perfect for strolling, jogging, or dining by the water. Architectural wonders like the twisting Cayenne Tower make the skyline unforgettable. Experience the marina from a Dow dinner cruise or rent a yacht for a taste of luxury. Relax at the beach at JBR, where white sand meets city views. The food scene is global, with everything from food trucks to celebrity chef restaurants. Dubai Marina feels like a city within a city, urban, vibrant, and full of life. At night, it sparkles like a diamond. Don't miss it. Now, let's step back in time at Dubai Creek, the city's historic heart. Long before the skyscrapers and luxury malls, this waterway was the lifeblood of Dubai, shaping its destiny as a bustling port and trading hub. The creek has witnessed centuries of change, from humble fishing villages to the vibrant metropolis we see today. As you stand on its banks, you can almost hear the echoes of merchants, sailors, and pearl divers who once called this place home. Here, traditional wooden abras ferry you across the water for just 1 dirham. These small boats have been the main mode of transport for generations, connecting the two sides of the city and offering a unique perspective of Dubai's ever-evolving skyline. As you glide across the gentle waters, you'll feel the pulse of daily life, with locals and visitors mingling in a timeless ritual. On both sides, you'll find bustling souks, the gold souk overflowing with jewelry, where shop windows glitter with intricate necklaces, bangles, and rings. The air is thick with excitement as buyers and sellers haggle over prices, continuing a tradition that has thrived here for decades. It's a dazzling showcase of craftsmanship and wealth, drawing visitors from around the world. And just a short stroll away, the spice souk is alive with color and aroma. Here, the air is perfumed with the scent of cinnamon, saffron, and cardamom. Merchants invite you to sample their wares, from dried fruits to rare spices, each stall a treasure trove of flavors that have traveled along ancient trade routes. The textile souk offers vibrant fabrics, silks, and cottons in every shade imaginable. Whether you're searching for a unique souvenir or simply want to admire the artistry, the souk's maze of stalls is a feast for the senses. Friendly vendors display their finest materials, eager to share stories of their origins and uses. While the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood preserves old Dubai's charm, this district is a living museum, with its narrow lanes, wind towers, and restored buildings offering a glimpse into the city's past. Walking here feels like stepping into another era, where time slows down and history comes alive. Narrow alleys, wind towers, and courtyard houses tell the story of Dubai's humble beginnings. Each corner reveals a new detail: ornate wooden doors, shaded courtyards, and the ingenious wind towers that once cooled these homes in the desert heat. It's a place to wander, reflect, and imagine life before the city's transformation. Exploring the creek is a sensory journey. Sights, sounds, and scents of old Arabia. The call of traders, the laughter of children, and the aroma of spices blend together, creating an atmosphere that is both vibrant and nostalgic. Every step reveals a new layer of culture and tradition. It's a living museum, and a vital part of Dubai's identity. Here, history isn't just preserved, it's celebrated, woven into the fabric of daily life. Locals and tourists alike gather to experience the authentic spirit of the city, making memories that will last a lifetime. Take a break from the modern marvels and soak in the city's soul. Sit by the water's edge, watch the boats drift by, and let the gentle breeze carry you back to a simpler time. It's the perfect spot to pause, reflect, and truly connect with Dubai's heritage. Ride an Abra, haggle in the souks, and lose yourself in the vibrant energy of the markets. Every interaction is a chance to experience the warmth and hospitality that define this city. And when you need a break, sip mint tea in a traditional cafe, surrounded by the sounds and sights of old Dubai. Let the flavors transport you as you watch the world go by from a shaded terrace. This is the heart of Dubai. Don't miss it. Whether you're a history buff, a culture lover, or simply curious, Dubai Creek offers an unforgettable journey through time, where the past and present meet in a celebration of life, tradition, and community. That's our whirlwind tour of Dubai, from sky-high wonders and futuristic marvels to historic treasures and vibrant local culture. This city is proof that dreaming big leads to extraordinary places and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed the journey, subscribe, and let me know your favorite Dubai spot in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on Walking TV. There's so much more to explore together. Until next time, be kind and keep adventuring. Bye.